Can Samsung QLED be wall-mounted? Yes, Samsung QLED TVs can be wall-mounted, as they are designed with VESA-compatible mounting points on the back. Samsung also offers specialized wall mounting solutions like the Slim Fit wall mount and No Gap wall mount, which allow the TV to sit flush against the wall. Choosing the right wall mount and ensuring proper installation are essential for a secure and stylish setup. 1. Checking VESA compatibility. Samsung QLED TVs follow VESA Video Electronics Standards, Association standards, which determine the spacing of the mounting holes on the back of the TV. To check compatibility, look for the VESA pattern in the TV's manual or specifications. Measure the distance between the mounting holes on the TV's back panel. Ensure the wall mount supports the TV's size and weight for safe installation. 2. Choosing the right wall mount. Samsung offers different mounting options based on user preferences. Slim Fit wall mount keeps the QLED TV close to the wall with a sleek, modern look. No Gap wall mount provides a nearly flush mounting option for Samsung frame and high-end QLED models. Tilting or full motion mount allows angle adjustments and better viewing flexibility. Select a mount that fits the VESA pattern and weight capacity of the Samsung QLED TV. 3. How to wall mount a Samsung QLED TV. Step 1. Locate a wall stud or use heavy-duty wall anchors for solid support. Step 2. Attach the mounting bracket to the back of the TV using the included screws. Step 3. Secure the wall plate to the wall, ensuring it is level and properly aligned. Step 4. Lift the TV carefully and hook it onto the wall mount, locking it in place securely. 4th. Additional considerations for mounting. To ensure safety and functionality, use a strong wall mount rated for the TV's size and weight. Avoid mounting over fireplaces or direct sunlight exposure to prevent heat damage. Ensure cables are neatly routed using Samsung's One Connect box if available for a clutter-free look. Double-check that all screws are tightened to prevent the TV from shifting. Samsung QLED TVs can be easily wall-mounted with VESA-compatible mounts or Samsung specialized brackets. Proper installation enhances the TV's aesthetics while ensuring a secure and stable setup for an optimal viewing experience.